What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Uncle Larry. I am still fighting for my voice, though I have some of it back. For those of you that's new to the channel, come roll with us. Hey, we got a lot of great stock pick that we do here. Not just the hot EVs. We got all the hot EVs. We got all the hots back. But we also give you stock that no one else is talking about. We've made 100, 200, 300, 330% on some of our stock picks. So welcome aboard to the family. Right. So I am calling this $1,000,000 Cup of Coffee Part 2. I'm going to provide a link here at the end of this video that you must see because it is life-changing. It is what the wealthy teach their kids that we are not taught in institutions. We're just not institutionally trained to be rich. But I want to free your minds. I want to free your children's minds and your children's children's minds so we can create generational wealth. All right. So let's go right to it. So when the whole process of $1,000,000 Cup of Coffee is showing you what $5 a day, the price of a cup of coffee, can buy you over a period of time through dollar cost averaging and leveraging. All right. And some of you know it as compounded interest. Right. But let me show you what really works over long periods of time. So in this study, I was looking for other people that had concepts that was close to my million dollar cup of coffee. And I came across this page of these brothers called Earn Your Leisure. They do a phenomenal job. I'm going to leave a link below. They do a phenomenal job of showing you these principles of dollar cost averaging and leveraging over a period of time. So let's use periods of time like 10 years and 20 years, right? So I'm just going to snapshot a few things of theirs, but I want you to go and support them and watch the whole video. They do an outstanding job. I mean, they have a little hee-hee-ha in there, but they do an outstanding job of showing you guys exactly my $1,000,000 cup of coffee theory. Actually, they do a better job in a lot of ways, I believe. But check this out. According to the last 10 years of Apple, if it keeps trading at the rate it is, if it keeps giving returns at the rate it is, the next 10 years, it will yield you 739% over the next 10 years based on the last 10 years of growth, right? So we're at the beginning of new technology. The Apple car is coming. Apple is just no telling what these phones are going to be doing. You know, before they made the announcement, I told you guys many months ago that there's going to be, we knew they were working on it. I mean, you got an Apple Watch, you got the Apple phone, the iPad. You'll be able to get in your Apple car and everything is just going to sync up. And they're going to eventually beat Tesla. I guarantee it. So what's crazy is we're at the beginning of this new technology, right? So 731%. Do that and divide it by 10 years. So you got more than 35%, right? Then they also showed a slide that said that if you would have invested $1,000 a month over the last 20 years in Apple, you would now have $28,381.34 at $1,000 a month. I know. Keep rolling with me because we're talking about $5. I got you. So check this out. The stock market recovers from crashes 100% of the time. All right, think about that. 100% of the time. Since 1916, the market has been up 71 years. That's like 68%. So if you're guaranteed to win 68%, you can't beat those odds, right? So let's look at some more charts here. Let's do this. So in an earlier video, I showed you guys QQQ, right? It is an ETF. An ETF is one stock with a bunch of stock in it. So the QQQ has hundreds of stock all in one. It's called an ETF, electronically traded funds, right? And so what happens is you can just buy the QQQ. You can go to whatever brokerage you're using and buy a share of QQQ. And it has given an annual return of about 10% yearly. Sometimes down, sometimes up, sometimes lower, sometimes higher. But over a period of time, it yields around 10%. All right. Berkshire Hathaway. I'm going to show you what happened. And this is you investing consistently, right? Started in 1991. Yes, this is the Oracle. Warren Buffett stock, right? March 1, 1980, this stock was $320. Today, it's $341,000, $820 per share. Per share. So just imagine if you would have $5 a day that. And so, good people, I just want to tell you guys that this leveraging and this dollar cost averaging over long periods of time, it works. And then I did a previous video, but I'm going to do another video about the side hustle. If every dime of what you make is necessary to cover your bills, DoorDash for 5 hours a week. DoorDash for 4 hours a week times 4, that's 16 at $15 an hour. Uber, whatever you want to do. A side hustle, babysit, and just do that. And you literally will be creating wealth while you're working. And you might say, hey, I got a 401k. Who cares? Don't touch that. You will outdo your 401k doing this. When you get ready to retire, you will have more money doing this in some cases than your 401k. And you can just let your 401k ride. And so I'm trying to teach you guys that are new to this how this could literally change your life and put you in a position where you never have to worry about a bill the rest of your life. I don't worry about bills. I don't. And I want to help you guys get to that point. I'm just going to cut it off right here. I want you guys to imagine, just download this. I don't care if you do 10% with QQQ. It's the theory that works. Get away from the naysayers. Get away from, I don't know about that. You can lose all your money. I just showed you 71% of the time. You're up. You're going to win. So doing nothing is never the answer. Listen, guys, watch this entire video and watch. Don't it blow your mind if you haven't? And I just want to say, I am going to be checking all social media, and I'm going to be seeing who used the hashtag $1,000,000 cup of coffee. And I'm going to shout you out on my page because I've seen some on Facebook already. And I want to see it on Instagram. I want you guys to share this information on your YouTube pages. Just hit share and share it on your YouTube pages. Let's start this hashtag because I'm going to end with this, and you have to understand this. If we don't get this money, the 1% that owns half of America's wealth, they're going to continue to get it. You can't get it all yourself. I can't get it all myself. And there is endless money. You're talking trillions of dollars that come through the stock market. But 85% of us retail investors that invest in stock, 85% of them are millionaires. Okay? So I'm going to leave it there, good people. Please share this video. Hashtag, and share the hashtag. Hashtag $1,000,000 cup of coffee. All right? All right. Live, love, laugh, and learn.